In this video, we will talk about how to create student web developers. Our system now has special capability for students to work with their own personal web server and full database to make not only web pages, but complete web applications. All of this is integrated together with their own personal areas and works for each student by their own student's work. Now, we will talk more about how to do that in another video called Become a Student Web Dev. But now we will talk about the steps necessary for them to do it. When a student wants to become a web developer, they first go to Student Web Development and come to this page, Student Web Design Sign In. Now, the student must have signed in already with their name on the sign in, and then they come here and they don't find their name. Maybe other names there, but they don't see that. And they say, if you do not see your name, please see your teacher. So they come to you and say, I need to become a web developer. I want to be a web dev. Help me. So this is how you will help them do so. What we will do is come to the menu, System, Create Student Web Devs. That will be our application. System, Create Student Web Devs. We click that. Sign in as super user. And that opens up this window, Create Student Databases. Now, it's a database because we're actually creating a special student database, one that's personal for each student, as well as adding other files, other information for their development in their own personal area in Client Home Students. To do this, we choose first form level, then stream. Now we have the whole list of students for that form level and stream. It may be if this is a class that is going to be doing it, we want to select all of them. It might be if there are just a few skilled people that you wish to have do that, we select just a piece. I can select more than one just by clicking on the top, holding down Shift and clicking the others. The standard way you do any list selection. We've selected several here. Now we will click Create Web Students. And those names are gone. You don't need to create them again. They've already been created. You can create another or many. The same time the window's open, you could go to another stream, choose some students there. Same action. Create web students. Now, it really doesn't hurt if you see the name and you came up another time and had it and you created the student twice. It won't make any difference. It won't damage anything they're doing. We finished creating the web students and we close this. That's the end of our task. Let's see what it will look like for the students now. The next time they come in, they see Form 4, Stream A, Name. Then they can select their name and go on to their personal area connected in the web browser to their pages. And then they will never have to come to you again and say, please create me as a web developer. They are now an official, full-fledged developer, and they can do their work. Thank you. End.